Good morning, how's it going? And welcome back to a brand new video. Now I've got an extremely fun one for you guys today. I saw this little contraption online. I've seen a few people using it in a few different ways. Very cool, very exciting. You've probably seen it. It is the iScan portable scanner. Simple concept. It's a scanner in your hands. Not sponsored. But essentially you can just put it against the wall, scan it on, and you scan the texture. So in today's video, I thought what would be super fun is to have a little bit of an adventure around London, go to a few different locations and see what textures we can steal. The bonus being that every texture I capture in today's video, I will be putting in a pack available for you to download free. That's right. You heard, for free. I'm stealing textures, giving them to you for free. I'm like the modern day Robin Hood. I also just realized I haven't actually used this yet. I haven't even tested it. So we should probably scan something before we go. Otherwise, I could be in trouble. So let's turn it on. Hang on. And there we have it. Scan one done. Let's go. So, location 1, Barbican. It's one of my favourite places in London, like the brutalist architecture from the 70s. It's so interesting. As you walk around, there's like all these kind of like, it's like a labyrinth of like bridges, stairs, archways, walkways. It's a crazy place to walk around. Like, it's an insane place to get those pictures. I'm hoping to find some 17s references. We might have to go inside for that. I've seen some art on the wall already, some hand-drawn sort of art pieces of some flowers, which I think are going to be really interesting. It's also just a really peaceful place to be. I often come sit here, have a coffee, and just have a little think. You know, sometimes we all just need to sit down and have a little think. Right then, it's been a couple hours, guys. It's been a couple hours and we have a problem. The scanner is out of battery and I've only managed to scan like 14 different things. Every single time I was scanning anything, the error code was coming up, which is a bit of a shame. But hopefully we've managed to capture some stuff so far. I reckon we just go and check out the conservatory. They've got a beautiful conservatory here with loads of nice plants and flowers. So we go and check that out. And then I reckon we head off, go get some batteries, and then hit our second place. But yeah, I might go grab some lunch as well. Don't know what I fancy. Kind of fancy a pie. But yeah, we'll see. Anyway, right, let's go. Hey guys, I'm gonna have to take a major L. It's closed for a private function, so you can't actually go in today, but this would have been well nice to explore. Which is a shame. You've got all these beautiful levels up there with loads of trees and stuff. We'll have to come back another day. We'll come back another day, guys. I actually can't believe that was closed. I'm fuming. That happened to me last time I come here as well. There was a private function on, which, to be fair, like, it's probably nice. But right, I reckon now we head to our second location. And the thing is with London, right, you can kind of walk to like each of these locations. You don't have to get a tube. So I reckon we head in the direction of Shoreditch. Terrible time of day to be going to Shoreditch because it's a work day. I got the day off, obviously. But everyone's going to be on their lunchtime right now. And yeah, not an ideal location to be walking around on lunch because it's going to be busy. And everyone's going to be looking at me like, what is this guy doing with a scanner? What a loser. But yeah, so I reckon we head there now and see what we can find on the way. Location number 2 is Shoreditch. Some say the home of the hipster, but this can be a perfect location. Every single wall is covered in graffiti. There's loads of posters and ripped stickers and things like that. So I'm hoping we're going to find some really, really nice textures. So I'm just walking through the park bit now, which is probably the nicest bit of Shoreditch, to be honest. And then we're going to head down to Brick Lane, through Shoreditch towards Old Street, and just see what we can kind of find in those back streets. I've got a feeling we're going to find some good ones. So let's go. Right then, little pit stop. I think we've explored a lot of Shoreditch, to be fair. It's dying down a little bit now, so I might do one last sweep through. Eat this falafel wrap that I grabbed from the market. Banger. And they're going to head on to our next location where we're heading west. So yeah, excited to see what I can find there. Be slightly different. It's a lot cleaner. It's a lot more of a bougie area. So I'm hoping for some tiles. I'm hoping for some flowers. Let's see what we can get. So here we are, area number 3, South Kensington. Tell a lie, started at Sloane Square and I'm walking to South Kensington. But look at the stark difference from where we just were. It's mental. The houses are insane. The whips, mate, they're everywhere. So we can have a little explore, see what we can find around here. I'm thinking some like marble floor, tiled floor outside someone's gaff, do you know what I mean? So yeah, let's have a little look, see what we can find. That is what I'm talking about, a little G-Wag. One day, goals guys, goals. Like and subscribe and maybe we'll get there. Check out these, every road is just so peaceful. Do you know what I mean? Like, imagine living in one of these gaffs, man. Oh, it's so nice. Tell you what, I'm gonna get some sketchy looks walking down here, like scanning the wall. Everyone's gonna think I'm breaking in or something. I'm not even showing you any textures, I'm just showing you all these buildings. There's nothing to even scan around here. Everything's so clean. Mate, whip. This is the sort of gaff I'm on about with the tiled floor. What? Do you reckon I should scan it? I reckon I should. Yeah, I can confirm I did just get some sketchy looks by the woman who just got in that car. Here's another thing that I was thinking that'd be really sick in this area is the manhole covers. Check this out. Or should we scan them? I reckon we should. Yeah, so the thing about this scanner, it really struggles with anything that isn't a flat surface. So when I'm scanning all these textures on the wall, it just keeps coming up error, which is not great. So hopefully some of them come out. If not, I'm gonna have to go back and try and get them again. But yeah, it just keeps coming up with a problem. We don't want problems, we want solutions. So yeah, just check out these little streets, man. They're so cute. I'm so glad I picked an area with 0 texture. It's actually got negative texture, mate. There's nothing to it. So that's good. To be fair, the textures of all these doors are pretty sick. Yeah, guys, I think we got a problem. I think I've broken the scanner. I'll try and scan it round now. Don't know if you can see this bit at the bottom. Doesn't sound good, Brev. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go test it on something flat. If not, I don't know. I've broken it. So that's good. Let's see if this works. This is pretty flat. That worked. That actually worked. Okay, so it's not fully broken. I think that's it for this area, you know. There's not really a lot around it that I can grab. I was thinking there'd be a bit more going on, but it's super clean. Super nice, but super clean. There's nothing really here, but yeah, it's been fun to actually get out. I think one of the main things of what I wanted to do today, I had the day off. I did not want to sit in front of my computer all day. I wanted to get out there, get some original inspiration and just capture some original assets. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed that. I'm gonna head back to the gaff now and we can see what we actually managed to capture. Nah, you joking. You just in what I've seen. I might have to do that, you know. It's well cold, but we're gonna have to do it. Look at that bad boy. Guess how much that cost for that? 4 quid. He was like, do you want a flake? I was like, fucking hell, I don't think I can afford it, mate. Jesus Christ, 4 quid. I swear they were a quid back when I was young. £4. Mental. Oh well, I'm still gonna absolutely delete it, mate. Right then guys, we're back. We're back in the office. We're back in the studio. One sec. And I'm excited to see what we managed to capture today. Hopefully we got some, because the device kept saying error. So I'm worried that nothing actually got scanned, but we're gonna find out now. Just gotta find my scanner. Right, let's get this plugged in. Where's my dongle? Right, let's get the list going. I can see some stuff on there. It's looking promising. Oh, yes. I'm gonna pop this up on screen. This is quite sick. What's the quality like? The quality isn't great, but it's still pretty cool. Let's have a look through. Fuck. Yeah, it's not great. Most of these have not come out. I'm not gonna lie. There's about 10 out of the 65 that I scanned. So that's good. They're all just blank. I've got a feeling when I scanned that first one over that flower, it made like a clicking sound. Don't think it's meant to do that. And that throughout the day when I was scanning it, it was like getting stuck. There was an error code that was coming up. It was flashing red. And I just thought that meant, do you know what I mean? You're having a good time. Clearly not, which is far from ideal considering this whole video was scanning textures throughout London. I thought this was going to work a lot better. Maybe I broke it. Maybe it's my fault. It could well be my fault. I don't think this likes being scanned over anything that's not super flat. Am I going to have to go back and rescan all of these things just so they pop up in the video and that you can get a downloadable pack? It's not ideal. Far from ideal, I would say, but we're going to do it. We're going to do it. I'm going to put all of these, I'm going to tidy them up along with a load of other textures down in a pack for you guys to download for free in the link down below as promised. Yeah, go ahead and use them in your designs, hopefully. I think some of them look pretty cool. Some of them should be, yeah, really interesting to use in your designs, within your cover artwork, within your poster designs, whatever it may be. If you do end up using any of this stuff, please send it over to me, tag me on Instagram. I will share it, put it on my story because that would be sick. Also, let me know if you enjoyed today's video. Something a little bit different. I just was kind of keen to get out there. I've been stuck at this desk for too long. Needed to see some sunlight, touch some grass. But yeah, it was just quite fun going on a bit of an adventure, to be honest. So if you like these types of videos, let me know if you want to see more down below, and let me know where the next place is where I can go and see if I can capture some textures and give them away for you guys. I might actually just shoot it next time on a camera because I feel like it's cool, but I don't know if it's actually that good. Do you know what I mean? 50 quid this was as well. If it was between this and that ice cream, I don't know which one is the worst deal, to be honest. Definitely this. The ice cream was banging. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. If you have, please like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff, and I'll see you again soon in the next one. So yeah, take care, and I'll see you in a bit.